try with resource. Okay, so that means that normally we have written the try and the catch clauses only. We have written the try and the catch clauses. But actually there are some resources actually that must be get closed. So like this scanner, actually that scanner class have the close method. Okay, or if we are working with the connection, that connection must be get closed. Okay, so we have put that code into the finally clause. We have put that one into the finally clause. But because of the try with resource actually facility, try with resource facility, we can open that resources into the try clause. We can open that resources into the try clause, like I have given here. Scanner I have opened. If more than one, we can just semicolon separate a list of the all the resources we can put. But here, whatever the resource we are putting over here, that must have implemented closable interface actually. That must have implemented the closable interface. The resource which have implements the closable interface, that must be get put into here a try clause. So by doing this one, what happens if we have opened the resource into the try? If we have opened the resource into the try, we don't need to close it. We don't need to close it. So that resource will be get closed automatically. That resource will be get closed internally. So just I just go here. Okay, and we'll go for that. Okay, try with resource demo. I just creating one class. Okay, class. Okay, demo. Try with the resource. Demo try with the resource, and this is what the main method. Okay, we have finished this. Now in this one, I have to open the scanner. See, scanner SC is equals to new, and we can write the scanner. You know that why scanner is used? Scanner is used to accept the input from user. So system dot in, I have written like this one, and it is been done. So scanner is A is missing. Okay, this is class present in the util package, so I have to import that package. I have imported. Now you can see here. Okay, now you can see here. It is giving one warning over here. If you observe is the value of the local variable SC is not used here. Okay, so I will use that value to accept the input from user. Assume like SC. Simply I return like system dot out dot println, and there I will put enter two numbers. Enter two numbers like, and here I just go for integer number one is equal to SC dot next int like this one. Okay, so I just enter the one value. Integer number 2 is equals to SC dot next int again. Okay, that is what the two values I'm trying to get it. And then I will perform any operation here. Integer division is equals to, okay, here I just write the number 1, okay, divide by number 2. There is no any problem here. Sys out, okay, and he just I will write here division. Okay, but you know that here when we are trying with the division, actually what happens, we always have to put the try catch. So I just writing try. Okay, and here I will put the catch clause, closing bracket, catch. Okay, and here I'm putting the exception. Okay, E. So very simple way of handling the exceptions I'm trying to show you here. E, like this one. Now see, when if you observe this scanner here, actually it is giving the warning to the line number 9. And what it is, see, it is showing that resource leak SC is never closed. That means what? If we have opened this, that must be closed after your job is get done. So here I can write SC dot close. SC dot close. So close method is there available. Close method is available to this one. So I have written this one sc dot to close here for the scanner class, for the scanner class here. Okay, so and now see, warning is not there. There is no warning. Okay, why? Because there might be a leakage can be happen. So we need to close that one. We need to close that. So there are so many resources like this one that must be get closed. If we have not written this code, we have not written this code itself, it is giving the error or not error, it is the warning itself. So it is resource leak. SC is never closed. So please close that one. It is simply saying that. It is simply saying that. So what we are doing, we are closing that. Okay, but I don't want to close that. Okay, so what we can do, we have the try with resource facility. Here, while writing the try, there itself you can declare this one. So while writing this one, Control C. Okay, I just go here and Control V I can put here. Okay, while writing here itself, I can write this. Okay, so you can see scanner S is equal to new scanner system.in. And even though here now no need to close this. Okay, so this scanner will be get automatically closed internally. This scanner will be get automatically closed internally. Okay, so that we don't need to put a finally clause, or we don't occur that memory leakage or any leakage to that resource. So this is what the try with resource. Within a try itself, we can declare the resource. Hope it is clear.